Hello friends, today is going to be a very different kind of video because I'm in Bombay. I had an event to go to, so I told my friend Tarok कि तू मेरा makeup कर ले. He is an actor, so he has got his makeup done. But I don't know वो मेरा makeup कैसे करेगा.
अरे टेंशन नहीं लेने का अपन है
Hi, hello guys. This is my friend Taruk Raina. जिसको migraine हो रहा है तो वो केला खा रहा है. I very sweetly agreed to do my makeup. Do you know anything about makeup?
No.
Guys, of course you've seen Taruk in Mismatched and his music has been trending always on Spotify last year. Today we will start with makeup. तो Taruk
मेरा हो गया.
छिलका साइड पे रखो.
गजब बेइज्जती है
बताओ क्या क्या है.
ये मॉइस्चराइजर है.
Very good. But first you have to ask me like what kind of makeup do I want?
Oh yeah. What kind of makeup do you want?
I want a dewy, fresh, no makeup.
ये क्या है? अच्छा ये वो है eyelash.
Eyelash color.
Poreless.
Primer.
Oh primer.
What we're going to do is he gets 3 lifelines. So while he's doing my makeup, I can only help him thrice.
I'm just you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do like a step by step thing.
Okay. Taru, this is really easy.
You put it on your cheeks.
No, it's a lip gloss.
This is lip gloss.
Yeah. ये सब कुछ
This is a beauty blender.
Yes.
I know this. ये अंडा.
Yes.
You know what? Let's just start.
Very good. Step number 1 is always cleaning your hands.
So this is whatever this is. Yeah, replenishing facial mist. Facial mist. Okay, please close your eyes.
Oh, very nice.
Just going to dab gently so that we have a nice fine canvas to play with. Because makeup is an art. It is an art. Yeah, moisturizer. And it repairs damaged barrier.
I have a damaged barrier to this here.
यार ये कितनी औसम है यार.
If it was sunny, I would use sunscreen also.
Nice. Okay. So step 2 is done.
We will put primer.
Very good. Yes. Wow, very impressed. That's a funny name. It's the elf putty. What does a primer do, Taro?
Creates a great surface on your face.
Okay. Not bad. अच्छा क्या तूने मतलब?
I am going to start with covering your under eyes. This is a concealer. We'll just put another product on your face. Yay! This is the True Match Nude Plumping Tinted Serum.
There is after primer there's this one main ingredient everyone puts, main product. जो फिल्म में भी यूज करते तो तूने 100% यूज किया है. बेबी को.
Base.
Base. This is a alternative to base.
Oh, okay.
So I don't own foundation, so I use tinted
Oh,
serum.
that-
So this is a tinted serum. Tinted serum.
This looks pretty scary, man.
No, it's very nice. हर
Is it-
चीज
is it-
ऐसे लगानी नहीं होती.
क्या बात है?
आदिवासी tattoo. Okay, not bad.
We have an excessively damp sponge egg.
How I know Taruk is he's my ex-boyfriend's childhood friend. Basically, when you have beauty blender, you don't rub. You
Oh, that's why that was happening.
next.
Concealer.
Okay.
I think because of the no makeup look, we will only focus on the under eyes.
I only actually put it on.
Yes, because she has no other blemishes.
This looks so nice.
Huh?
Oh wow, you're dabbing. Fast learner.
अबे अब बता के भी गलत थोड़ी करूँ.
Quite cool, yeah.
Now-
Taruk, you're actually very good. I thought this video is.
Tint.
Tint तो ऐसे बोला. You know what a tint is?
Yeah.
Okay, very good.
I just like this because even if I mess it up, I'll be like, we can go for a costume party. I think this though, I'll use my hand only to.
Whatever you want.
Oh shit, you won't tell me also यार ये क्या बकवास है. एक सेकंड. वो यूज कर लूँ क्या अंडा?
You're painting picture, not grating cheese. Oh, it looks so natural. Okay, what's next? Should I give you the options? We have green eyeliner. We have purple eyeliner. We have black eyeliner.
I feel like you're wearing blue, so we'll go with blue today. One second. So what am I supposed to exactly do here? I'm going to draw on the border of your eyes. I can't.
You can do this. You can do this. You can do this.
This is a weapon. Oh, weapon.
Taruk is really trembling. See? Not bad, huge difference. I genuinely had no faith in him. Yeah, how are you doing it so well? How is it possible? This is a second makeup kit.
I can use a lifeline now. I'm like 80%
Yes,
there.
okay, fine. This is a.
How do I do this?
This is a eyeshadow palette. For you, let me just make it easier. You can just use your fingers and dab it.
At the same time, like I can't make my face any prettier. Like this is what I have to. This is what I have to live with now. No. Dabeshwar kar deta. It's like minimal.
Very nice, very minimal, very nice shimmer. This is the toughest one. So I need you to breathe, calm down.
मैं ना नीचे बैठ जाता हूँ.
Baby, come down. It's not bad.
It's terrible.
Okay, I'll tell you a trick. एक हाथ से तू ऐसे खींच,
हाँ.
ऐसे एक हाथ से खींच रहा है. Tarok, you've done such a good job. What the hell? Actually, ये तो मुझसे भी बेटर किया है तूने. It's perfect.
This is the product. This guys.
And then he's going to use the puff.
हम मार लेंगे पूछा यार. झाड़ू ही करना है ना. क्या बात है.
Not bad.
तू है बम और मैं हूँ Oppenheimer. You know what we can do? We can do your eyebrows.
ये I think तारू को confidence आ गया अब.
नहीं क्योंकि eyebrows में मैं क्या ही गलत कर दूंगा. And like the whole.
तारू को instructions नहीं देते. He just says there, इधर, here, move this. Shit. Crazy.
Replenishing face.
Replenishing the. That's it.
Yeah. No good. Ta-da!
And
Feast your eyes.
I need to FaceTime someone.
काट मैं करता हूँ. मेरा उठा लिया ना. बेइज्जती हो जाएगी.
बहुत ज़्यादा बेइज्जती हो जाएगी. Oh, shit picked up. What the fuck? He did my makeup. Look at this. Look at the eyeliner. Bro, he put eyeshadow also so perfectly. Proud of you. Bye. Guys, हमें like celebrity makeup artist से भी validation मिली.
जिसको हम afford भी नहीं कर सकते. I hope this stays through the day.
Yeah.
And it doesn't I hope it passes the test of time.
I look wonderful. Thanks to Tarok. Please follow him on Instagram, and if you want any makeup tips, DM him.
And like, subscribe, and share Sai Babali's videos. New videos out every
Every week.
now and then.
Every week. Thanks, bye.
Bye.
So please sarapakara. Okay, thank you.
आएगा कोई.
So that's the दीदी.
दीदी हम यहाँ पे एक वीडियो कर रहे हैं अभी.
अब पूरा घर कर लो पहले.
कुछ नहीं लिखा है इस पे यार. ये क्या है?
पीछे कुछ तो लिखा रहेगा.
I like.